Hello, my name's Dominic Walker. I'm JMW's inside man, and I'm with Graham Small. Graham is a commercial litigation partner at JMW's Manchester office and heads up the business interruption insurance department. Hello, Graham.
Yes, hi, Dominic.
So, Graham, COVID-19 has been a difficult time for business owners, and some would think that it's a time when businesses can rely on their insurance, but that always hasn't been the case, has it?
No, that's right, Dominic. I guess when this all broke just over a year ago, everybody realised that their business was being dramatically affected by the pandemic. And one of the first things you do is dig out your policy, your insurance policy, and hope it responds to the problems you're suffering. And it became clear that it wasn't clear whether the policies did respond in the way people expected and whether they were entitled to business interruption. And it was because of that that the FCA took charge of the problem and began a test case, which ended up in the Supreme Court back in January of this year.
And so how widespread is this, Graham?
Well, it's extremely widespread in the sense that every business will inevitably have an insurance policy, and almost all insurance policies offer, as an extension to the policy, the ability to claim business interruption for certain events, certain occurrences. So it really was widespread, UK widespread, and the statistics delivered by the industry indicate that there may be around 370,000 policyholders, that could possibly claim under their business interruption insurance.
It's an incredible amount, and you say the FCA came to the rescue, really, of business owners. What happened at the Supreme Court?
So yeah, the Supreme Court gave their judgment in January this year, and their judgment largely supported the FCA case that had been put forward for the benefits of policyholders, and it meant that there was more clarity in respect of making claims, so businesses could understand whether or not they were entitled to cover or not. And the way the policy the way the court was viewed, the way the court viewed the policies was to break them down into three segments, if you like. One was looking at policies where the policy responded in circumstances where there was a notifiable disease within a radius of the business premises. Then the second one was where there was a restriction or on access to the premises because of government intervention, the lockdown provisions. And then thirdly was the hybrid type cases where the existence of a notifiable disease and the restriction on access to the premises had to be in the policy to respond. So the Supreme Court looked at those three broad types of policies and largely found in favour of the policyholder, of the businesses.
I'm Dominic Walker, JMW's Inside Man.